So today I'm doing some Rambler work, and right on the that corner there, probably where, sorry, not probably, where the certainly where the voltage regulator used to go. There used to be like a dome-shaped thing here, and I guess what happened over time was the holes from the voltage regulator bolts allowed water to get in, and it rusted this thing. But anyways, there's this huge hole here for some reason as well, and it has no utility whatsoever except to allow rain and cold winter winds to go on my feet when I'm driving. So today's project is I'm going to close this up. As you can see here, a few years ago, this was probably one of the first repairs I ever did on a car. These welds here. And so today, like I said, we're just going to put a flat piece here. Piece to close this stuff off here as well. So I already did most of the bulk cleaning work. And with the body work, what I always say is the first step is towards construction is destruction. So I had to melt off, plasma torch, all the stuff that wasn't here. And so over here, these will be fairly easy welds over here. But over here, it's a little bit tricky over on these edges here. Because see over here, I'm welding, I'm going to be welding on a corner. Now when you're welding on a live edge here, it's very tricky. So what I'm going to probably do is, what I'm certainly going to do is either put a flat bar here through the back, or perhaps even just put an angle along this live edge part here. So I could probably remove this here. As you can see, I removed some of it there. And you got to be a bit of an artist. You got to set the machine, the plasma cutter, to about halfway, to a point where you can melt through the top sheet but not through the bottom. But there's no real point in doing that. So there used to be a vent thing here as well, and again, that's another useless thing in a car, and that got removed, and that was actually the source of all sorrows here in this case. Actually, here's what it looks like, or rather what it looked like. It's got had a stupid foam thing that just, I mean, if you want air to come inside the car, you just open the quarter window. So I don't see the point in having this. It just allows water and rain to get past there. Was it even working anyway? This used to be the knob. I'll probably keep this knob as a template. It's made of that horrible material, so it'll probably never go on the Rambler again. I've reached the point where on the Rambler there's actually nothing made of plastic. So I think the only thing plastic, is the cover for the carburetor choke. It's everything on and the those light bezels there. Well, I'll see you in part 2.